Hey, little explorers! Are you ready to spend an exciting day with Leo? Today is full of fun, surprises, and amazing discoveries. But here's a challenge. Can you guess what exciting things Leo will do today? Let's find out. The bright morning sun shines through Leo's window. Yawn! Leo wakes up, stretches like a sleepy cat, and smiles. Can you stretch with Leo? 1, 2, 3. Great job! Did you know stretching helps wake up your muscles and gets your body ready for a fun day? Now it's time to brush those shiny teeth. Leo picks up his toothbrush. But wait, can you guess why we brush our teeth every day? Is it because toothbrushes are colorful? Or because tiny sugar bugs love dirty teeth? That's right! Tiny germs can hide on our teeth after eating. Brush, 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 top, bottom, front, and back. Wow, Leo's teeth sparkle like stars. Can you brush your teeth for 2 whole minutes too? Soon, Leo's tummy starts to rumble. Grrr, it's breakfast time. On the table are bananas, toast, and a glass of milk. Can you guess which food gives Leo energy to run and play? The banana, the milk, or the toast? The answer is all of them. Healthy food is like fuel for your body. Oh no! Leo almost drops his glass of milk, but he catches it just in time. That was close! Now he's full of energy for today's adventure. Leo heads to the park where birds are singing, butterflies are flying, and colorful flowers are blooming everywhere. Suddenly, rustle, rustle. Something is moving behind a bush. What could it be? A dinosaur? A tiger? Or maybe a tiny squirrel? That's right, it's a fluffy little squirrel. Did you know squirrels can jump farther than the length of their own body? Isn't that amazing? Leo laughs and waves goodbye as the squirrel climbs up a tall tree. After a fun time outside, Leo goes back home. His room is full of toys. Can you help Leo clean them up? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. Fantastic! As Leo puts his toys away, he discovers his favorite teddy bear hiding under a pillow. Hooray! Cleaning your room makes it easier to find your favorite things, and helping at home always makes everyone happy. Mom smiles proudly at Leo. As evening arrives, the sky changes from orange to pink and then deep blue. Leo looks up and wonders, what will appear first? Can you guess? A bird, a cloud, or a bright little star? That's right! A sparkling star appears in the sky. Did you know stars are giant glowing balls of hot gas that are incredibly far away? The night sky is full of wonderful surprises. Finally, it's bedtime. Leo snuggles into bed with his teddy bear and smiles as he remembers all the fun he had today. Today, Leo learned to brush his teeth, eat healthy food, help his family, enjoy nature, and stay curious about the world around him. Good night, little explorers. Sweet dreams, and remember, every ordinary day can become an amazing adventure when you're curious. See you in the next adventure. Bye-bye.